Crack the code of Android supremacy with these game-changing tips and tricks. Starting off, ever heard of split screen mode? Activate it by holding down on the Recent Apps button, then select your 2 favorite apps to multitask like a pro. Now let's talk about battery life. Did you know the darker your screen, the less power it uses? Switch to dark mode or use a darker wallpaper to save precious battery life. For those who crave order, you can customize your app drawer. Simply drag and drop apps into folders for a cleaner interface. Here's an insider secret: developer options. Navigate to your phone's settings, find About Phone, tap build number 7 times, and voila, access to hidden features to fine-tune your Android experience. And lastly, Google's Find My Device service. If you lose your phone, simply sign into your Google account on another device and locate it. There you have it. 5 Android tips to make your digital life a breeze. Remember, knowledge is power. Until next time, keep exploring.